Hello, and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to manage your uploads into the Acumatica platform. So you see, for example, here, I have a Word document, and I saved it into my documents. And now I want to add it somewhere in Acumatica. So maybe I want to add it to a sales order. So I'll open up any sales order. And when I try and drag and drop it or attach it to my sales order, I get an error message. Unsupported file type, and it gives you the list of all the different file types that are supported. So where is this configured? Well, it's under File Upload Preferences. So we'll look for that here. And there's a few different settings here. The first is the file size that you can upload. So this is a platform preference, meaning every user is subjected to this preference. And this is 25,000K, which means 25 megs. So that's the limit in the file size that you can attach. It's important to do this because you don't want people to accidentally upload really big files. As they're uploading, they'll kill your bandwidth, not to mention the storage space that you're using. You may need to increase this, but you may be comfortable with where it is or even make it lower if your typical file is smaller. But the specific error message we just got was that I didn't have an attachment, but the specific error message we just received was that it was a forbidden file type. So when you're looking at this, you can see all the different file types that are supported. You may have others. You can continue to go through this and you'll see the different ones. You can click on any column and search. You have a lot of them in here. But you see we support a DOC, but my document, it's a later version of Word, it's a DOCX, and I don't have that here. Now, by the way, Acumatica, I think out of the box has that, but I removed it for the purposes of this demo. So if I wanted to add another one, I'll click the plus button here. I'll put the extension I'm adding. I can give it an icon URL, although I'm not sure where we actually use that anywhere in the software. But I'll use this one. I'll just copy and paste it. And then over here is the default application. Now, the default application, if you right-click on any file and you move it over, and we take a look, this is the test document properties, the document that's in my documents folder. If I go to the details tab and I scroll down, you can see all the different properties and their values, the different attributes of the file. But if I scroll down, I can see content type, and this is it right there. Application, VND, OpenXML, formats, document, office, and all that. And what I can do with this is expand this, make it a little bit bigger, and type that all in there. There doesn't appear to be a copy and paste in Windows in this document, so you have to type it in. But you can put it right here and send it over. Now this seems to have figured it out, maybe from the extension or from the image, but probably because this file format, this file extension's been here before. But if you have a different application, you'll need to go through the details tab. You'll need to get this MIME content type in this in order for Acumatica to open up the document properly. That's really what this is for. So that when you open it up from Acumatica, Windows knows what to do with it. Acumatica passes this along to Windows operating system or Apple, and it can automatically open that up. So we'll save this. Now if we go back to our sales order and we try and drag and drop, you can see it'll attach it properly. So that's your file upload preferences and your ability to configure different extensions, different file types that you want to allow. You can leave the extension here and forbid it if you want to. And you can also check off whether it's an image or not. So that's it. If you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching and subscribing to our YouTube channel, and have a great day.